Do you love bumper-to-bumper traffic? Have you always wanted to live in a concrete jungle? Do you love paying way too much for a tiny apartment? Then Elizabethtown, Kentucky and Hardin Memorial Health are not for you. Because here, you aren't going to get any of those things. Chances are you have seen us if you have traveled in Kentucky. Our central location makes it easy to get around. Elizabethtown is ideal for travel. You can be in Louisville and their international airport in 40 to 45 minutes. Being at the crossroads of Interstate 65 and Bluegrass Parkway provides easy access to major metropolitan areas. But Elizabethtown itself has so much to offer.
You still get that small town community, but yet with many amenities that you don't miss from a big city.
All the stores you need, all the restaurants you crave, along with access to large cities. Elizabethtown also provides opportunities off the beaten path. For all the variety, there's not a better place in the state. With over 10 parks, Elizabethtown is committed to providing recreational opportunities of all types. For those of you with children, Elizabethtown and Hardin County have exceptional public and private school options. And if that's not enough to make you want to visit the area, how about affordable housing for single physicians and families?
You want to live comfortably, and you want to live within means and be able to enjoy life, take vacations, and have all your income poured into a home and a car.
So if you want all this combined with a great community, then Elizabethtown is for you.
One of the best things of this region, I think, are the people here, because they really are hardworking, nice people that you really just want to be your neighbors.
And at Hardin Memorial Health, we are dedicated to being a good neighbor, not only to the 10-county region we serve, but to our staff as well.
I think the most surprising thing about HMH is just how much of a family we are. I guess I was just really surprised at how easy it is to work with everybody, to get a hold of everybody inside work and even outside of work.
I love the family-oriented, get to know each other on a personal level in my practice. And if I wanted that in my practice, I definitely wanted to see that in the community also.
The patients here are more complicated usually. They have a lot of comorbidities, and a lot of times they kind of just rely on primary care to take care of most things. So it's nice to have more complex patients on a regular basis. We get our usual, acute care stuff, but because they're so complicated, you kind of get to think a lot, and I think I appreciate that.
That's probably what impresses me the most about working for HMH is the accessibility to the specialists that I have. Had a patient the other day that came in and they had something very unique going on that I was a little bit concerned about, and so I reached out to Dr. Fickman, one of the ENT doctors, and within a matter of minutes he'd called me back, and he was willing to see the patient the next day.
And this incredible network of physicians and leaders are on the cutting edge of offering the best medical services in the area.
We can care for just about every patient that comes through the doors.
We're frequently looking to extend our services and what we can add that the community and the surrounding counties need.
Here at Hardin Memorial Cancer Care, we're part of the University of Kentucky Marquis Affiliate Network, which is an NCI designated program. We have the full spectrum of care available in our area, including chemotherapy and immunotherapy here. We have radiation oncology at the hospital where they can deliver the radiation treatments, and we have a group of surgeons that provide excellent surgical care, and we work in a multidisciplinary fashion.
There's a huge demand for healthcare, and we just don't have the supply of physicians to really meet the needs of our community. And there is such a demand for every type of physician. You name it, we need it.
As a physician, we all should love what we do, but it's important to find a place where you love doing it at. And for me, that place is here.
So the need is obvious, but the question is, will you come grow with HMH?